In this video, I will show you how to play Meccha Chameleon with friends. Launch Meccha Chameleon and click Start from the main menu. Once you're in the server menu, you will see options to either create a server or join an existing one. If you want to host the game yourself, click Create Server. Enter a name for your server, and if you want to keep it private, set a password that only your friends will know. If you don't mind other players joining, you can leave the password field blank. Next, choose the server region that is closest to your location. Selecting the correct region will help reduce lag and improve your connection. After that, set the maximum number of players for your lobby and click Create Server. Once the server is live, share the server name and password with your friends so they can join. To join a friend's lobby, click Search Server. Enter the server name, add the password if required, and connect to the game. If you're the host, you can also customize match settings such as the map, game mode, number of hunters, search time, and other gameplay options before starting the match. That's how you can play Meccha Chameleon with friends.